Hello and welcome to Planet Pathlings. I'm your Tuesday host, Reagan from Pagan Naturalists. This week my topic is binding in magic. Magical binding is a simple spell or working to restrain someone metaphysically. Typically this is done to prevent them from doing harm to others or themselves. Let's take a look historically at how this type of magic is generally used. One common way a lot of us might think of this to be done is using a puppet or doll to bind the intentions of one from harming themselves or others. Many archaeologists have found evidence of spell tablets binding people from theft or binding an item to a god so that if someone should steal it, that the god would be an interest to retrieve it. Another common way that binding spells are performed is using a candle and inscribing the intent on the side of the candle and then burning it. Runes can also be used for this kind of work. Some traditions have injunctions against doing any kind of manipulative magic, and binding is definitely a manipulative magic. So it depends on the path, faith, or tradition whether or not this is an acceptable practice. Of importance is the fact that binding can also be a positive act, and one way that is considered a positive act is through hand fasting, which is obviously where two people are bound together magically through the use of a symbolic cord. For more information and a deeper look into magical binding, please check out the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us here on Planet Pathlings every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Time for our weekly wrap-up.